Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing 3 hair tutorials for you all. So these are just my tried and true styles for when I want to change my hair up a little bit and have some fun. So stay tuned. Before I get into the tutorial, please make sure to hit that like button. It means so much to us, and we can tell if you don't. We really can, so you better hit it. So my first style is so fun and simple. I love this one, especially as my layers are growing out and I'm losing a little bit of volume. So I'm just gonna start right here on the side, pick up just a little bit of hair, and just twist it super easily. And then you can kind of make that twist a little bit bigger, have those curls poke out a little bit more. And then you're just gonna pin it in place. I always like to use 2 bobby pins just to make sure that it's extra secure, and I kind of crisscross them. Okay, so now that we have our first one in place, I'll take hair from just under that and just do the same thing. So I gotta figure out which curls are cute and figure out which ones I want to leave out. So sometimes it takes a second, but just kind of pick and choose, make sure you're not having any holes in your hair. Twist it, spread it out. And pin it into place. Okay, another thing, if you, again, like I said, if you're losing some volume and have a little bit of some heavy spots, you can just do the same thing. So I'll show you like over here. I'm just gonna take like a little section of hair, just twist it one time and just kind of barely push it up so it creates a little bit more volume, and then I will just pin that into place. A lot of times I like to pin it under other hair so you can't see the bobby pins, or really the fact that it's pinned at all. People just think that you're naturally voluminous. Okay, so you can see, super easy, love the effect. One little trick that I want to show you guys about bobby pinning, especially if you have layers in your hair. This looks so cute. Take a pin, and right under where you pinned, flip the curls up and pin them like so they're kind of standing up like on edge. This just gives it a really cute curly effect. It hides your bobby pins, and I just love it. Okay y'all, moment of truth. I wear this next hairstyle all the time, probably more than I should. It's just the ponytail, but I love to do a high ponytail. I think that with curls, it just makes them look so cute, and when your curls have wilted, it can really make them look like they aren't. It's so deceiving. You're gonna love it. Here's how to do it. Okay, so the way that I put my hair up into a ponytail gets a little different as the days go on. When it's still pretty clean and still pretty cute, I will just take it section by section and pull it up, leaving some cute little curls down. That one's not cute. And then I pull everything up in the back, and I like to have a little on both sides. So You never know how curls are gonna form. I feel like every time you dry them, they're a little bit different. So some of these just have to be played with a little bit. And if it's not great, I tuck it behind my ear and just leave it hanging down right behind my ear. Okay, so then I just pull everything up, and I like to put my ponytail right on the crown of my head, right there. And as you can see, I'll pull it through as many times as you need. I like it to be secure. And then I will just play with it until I get curls coming down in the front and in the back. Pull it in the middle and it makes it tighter. So it'll tighten it to your head. And then I just adjust the curls however they need to be adjusted. Super easy, guys. So for this next hairstyle, it is super easy. I actually wore it for my brother's wedding, so it can be dressed up or just a casual look. And it's all to the side, which I think is so fun as well. So the step one is literally just bring it all to the side. If you have short hair or you have some layers like me, an easy way to make sure that all the hair gets kind of over there and stays up is just to twist it. So I'll show you what that looks like. You're gonna start around your ear and just start twisting everything in to your hair, and you can pull it to loosen it up so it doesn't look super tight or weird. And then I just hold on to that and secure my hair in a ponytail with an elastic. Okay, so then I like to pin this little part kind of up just so it stays off my neck. It's just personal preference. Okay, so now that I have my hair in my little ponytail, I'm gonna kind of spread it out, and I have like day 2 hair right now, so some of the ends are starting to get a little kind of less curly. So I'm just gonna take those less desirable curls and twist them. Just kind of see where they want to fall, but just twist them up and pin it. And I actually just keep doing that all over. If you have some cute curls, you can still kind of let those hang out. I'm just gonna flip these up to get them off my neck again. And then make sure you have all the pieces, some might fall out on you. The goal is to end up with a just really natural, messy bun look, but the just really soft, whimsical, kind of messy is so in right now. So it looks like you spent a lot of time on it, when you and I both know that we just did this in 5 minutes. Okay, just making sure the last little pieces are secure, that it's not gonna fall out of my head, hair, whatever. Too many words, guys. You probably just noticed if there's a hair that's like kind of out and I'm like, oh no, gotta pin him up. I'll just scoop him with my bobby pin, kind of just twist it up and pin it. Super easy. Makes it kind of look like a curl too. So yeah, this is literally the whole bun. That is it. I think it looks really good. Tell me what you think down in the comments. And if you do end up doing any of these hairstyles, please make sure to tag us and tell us how you like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.